Good evening, you're watching the Daily News Bulletin. I'm Navya Singh. Let's see what's making the headlines today. The Supreme Court today ordered that the states cannot promote students without conducting the final year examinations. The Supreme Court also said that the universities or the states can seek permission from the University Grants Commission, which is the UGC, to extend the deadline of conducting the examinations. Now, earlier, the UGC had asked the universities to conduct the examinations across the country by 30th of September. The Supreme Court today said that in case any state disaster management authority wants an extension to conduct the examinations, their decision will prevail. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has asked the state officials and the police to take strict action and also invoke the stringent National Security Act, which is the NSA, against the accused involved in the rape and murder of a 17-year-old girl in Lakhimpur district. The mutilated body of the girl was found some meters away from her village on Tuesday. The family said that the girl had gone out of her village to fill up a scholarship form in a nearby town when she was attacked, raped and killed. The Chief Minister also visited the girl's family and announced an ex gratia amount of Rs 5 lakh for the family. He also said that the government will ensure that the case is heard in a fast-track court so that the accused are punished at the earliest. Meanwhile, the National Human Rights Commission also sent a notice to the state government of Uttar Pradesh and also the state police chief. In their report, the commission mentioned that the criminals in Uttar Pradesh have absolutely no fear of law and order in the state and that women, especially from the vulnerable sections of the society, are easy targets for them. Shifting focus to the national capital, 6 months after the violent riots in February 2020 that claimed over 50 lives in northeast Delhi, the Amnesty International has now put out a report that claims that the Delhi police failed to prevent the riots in northeast Delhi. The report published by the human rights organization claims that there was a denial of medical treatment or services to victims. There was a failure to prevent the riot or the violence and also arbitrary use of force on protesters. According to the report, the response of the Delhi police to prevent hate crimes during the riots or the violence was inadequate. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown imposed across the country, Karnataka witnessed a sharp rise in child marriage cases. According to the data published by Karnataka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, a total of 107 cases of child marriages were reported just in the last 4 months from April to July. This is in sharp contrast to the 156 cases that were reported in total for the year 2019. The Commission has said that the schools and colleges in the state have been shut for an indefinite period, which is making it extremely difficult to track the attendance of students in the state. The centre has directed the airlines to put those passengers on no-fly list who refuse to wear masks in the flight. The centre has also permitted the airlines to serve pre-packed meals or beverages on domestic flights based on their flying time and also hot meals on international flights. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, amid the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the in-flight meal services were suspended ever since the domestic flight resumed services on 25th of May in India. Shifting focus to coronavirus, Uttar Pradesh has become the first state to have tested over 50 lakh samples for COVID-19 in the country. The state tested over 1.38 lakh samples yesterday, after which it crossed the 50 lakh mark in terms of the testing in the state. The number of fatalities due to COVID-19 in Uttar Pradesh have now risen to 3,217 and the number of active cases in the state now stand at 52,309. That's all for today. I'll be back with some more important news tomorrow. Thanks for watching.